Hello everyone, this is Sakes Infotech, where we simplify tech for you. Did you know your smartphone can do more than just calls, messages, or social media? It can double up as a wireless mouse and keyboard. In this video, we'll show you how to easily turn your smartphone into a wireless mouse and keyboard. But before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more tech tips. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to use your smartphone as a wireless keyboard and mouse, you are going to download and install an application called Unified Remote. So to download the Unified Remote, the server version for the PC, you click on the browser, any browser of your choice, okay? Then you type the URL, Unified. Okay, I've already searched for it, so it's there. So I'll click on Enter. And then this is the home page where you can do the download. So you click on the download, and then you can download the latest server version. Okay, in my case, I've already downloaded the application onto my desktop, so we are going straight to the installation. So let me close this, and this is the server version for the Unified Remote for my PC. So I'll double click on it to initiate the installation, and then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes to the PC. Then I'll click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Then we'll click on next and leave the default. You can change the location as well, but in my case, I will leave the default and click on next. And then we click on next. And here you can create a desktop shortcut. If you like, we leave the default like that. So in my case, I'm going to create a desktop shortcut and then click on next and then install. So now it's installing the Unified Remote, the server version for the PC. Okay, when we are done with this, we install the client on our smartphone. And then we link it up and use the smartphone as the wireless keyboard and mouse. So it's done installing. So I'll click on finish. So this is the icon on the desktop, Unified Remote. Okay, it's running at the background. So let me show you. So here is it. Okay, so I'll double click on it. And this is the interface for the server version of the Unified Remote. Okay, you can use the Wi-Fi interface to connect. You can use your Bluetooth. You can use your LAN via IP, and then you can use your Spotify account. You can so at the connections where you when you connect your smartphone to the PC and be using it as the wireless keyboard and mouse, you see the connection from here. Okay, so this is the server version of the Unified Remote. Now we are going straight to install the Unified Remote on our smartphone. Okay, so to install the Unified Remote onto your smartphone, I'm going to bring my smartphone and then I'll demonstrate how to do that. Okay, so let me bring my smartphone. So this is my smartphone. Okay, so we are going to install the Unified Remote onto our smartphone. So let me go to Play Store. Then I'll search for Unified Remote. Okay, so Unified Remote. So I'll go with this. So I'm going to install the Unified Remote. Okay, so I'll tap on the install. And then it's now installing the Unified Remote. Okay, so when we are done with the installation, we'll just link up the smartphone to the laptop and then we use the smartphone as the wireless keyboard or mouse. So let's wait for it whilst it's installed the Unified Remote. Okay, so it's done installing the Unified Remote. So I'll open the Unified Remote and then I've installed the server. So let me open the server as well. Okay, so this is the server of the Unified Remote and this is the client, okay, for our smartphone. So I've installed the server. I'll click on that. I'll tap on that. And then let's get started. So I'll tap on that. Okay. So we are going to use it for keyboard, okay, and we can use it for mouse as well. Okay, so I'll tap for the mouse basic input, and then I'll skip and continue. Got it. So now you see I'm moving the mouse on my phone, so I can close this. Okay, I'm moving the mouse on my phone, so I'm using my phone as the mouse. Okay, so if I want to, so let me open Word, then I'll use my phone as the wireless keyboard. Okay, so I'll tap the keyboard. So let me bring my phone, then I'll demonstrate how the keyboard works. Okay, so you see, I'll tap the keyboard, tap on the keyboard, and then I can now type. So I'll click in the word, then I'll start typing. Okay, so now I'm typing from my phone. So let me minimize this so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm typing from my phone. So you can see, okay, okay. So you can try it. So this is the keyboard on my phone. Please try it and leave a comment at the comment section. So I'll go to the next. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly click on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And give me a thumbs up. Okay. So this is the end of the video. So you can use your smartphone as a wireless keyboard and mouse. Okay. So you can quickly change to the keyboard. So this is the keyboard. Okay. This is the keyboard, and you can move the phone, the screen of the phone as the mouse. So let me close this. I'm using my phone, so let me close this. No, don't save it. And you can use this to shut your PC as well. Okay, you can use it to shut your PC as well. I'm doing all this from my phone. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.